Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Students, yesterday we have done our vocabulary work and question bank of chapter number 6. Now today we will start our poem In Bed at Night. So take out your textbook English Junction and it's page number 5151. Students, our poem name is In Bed at Night. In means में, bed means बिस्तर, at night means रात में. Means this is the poem is on in bed at night. When I am in my bed at night, between the blinds I see. In this poem, the poet name is Lucy Diamond, and when she is in bed at night, she is saying, when I am in bed at night, जब मैं रात में अपने बिस्तर में होती हूँ, बिटवीन द ब्लाइंड्स आई सी. बिटवीन मीन्स बीच में, द ब्लाइंड्स मीन्स कर्टेन्स यानी पर्दे. लुक इन दिस पिक्चर, दिस इज अ विंडो एंड दिस इज अ कर्टेन एंड द पोएट Lucy Diamond is seen between the blinds. I see the dearest little twinkling star. She is seeing this twinkling star between these curtains. Blinds means curtains यानी पर्दे, यानी वो पर्दों के बीच से उसके प्यारे छोटे से चमकते हुए तारे को देखती है. Who comes to peep at me? और वो कहती है कि ये जो स्टार है वो मुझे देखने के लिए वहां से झांकता है. I know he stays there all the night. This poet is saying, I know, मैं जानती हूँ, he stays. कौन stays? The star stays, यानी वो जो स्टार है वो रुकता है. There all the night means उसी जगह पर पूरी रात. वो कहती है मैं जानती हूँ वो स्टार पूरी रात उसी जगह पर रहता है. But at the break of the day means early morning, सुबह होते ही, लेकिन सुबह होते ही I cannot see him anywhere, मैं उसे कहीं भी नहीं देख पाती. Tell me the student, can you see the stars in the morning? No, in the morning there are not stars. Where does he go away? Now she thought, where does he go away? वो कहाँ चले जाते हैं? ऐसा आप भी सोचते हो ना स्टूडेंट्स, कि रात में तो मून आता है, स्टार्स होता है, आते हैं, बट मॉर्निंग होते हैं वो सब कहाँ चले जाते हैं. ऐसे ही इन दिस पोयम दिस लिटिल गर्ल इज थिंकिंग कि ये जो स्टार है वो रात में मुझे देखने आता है, बट सुबह ये कहाँ चला जाता है. चलिए वी विल नो वेयर डज ही गो. आई वंडर इफ द रीजन्स दिस, कह रही मुझे बहुत अचरज होगा अगर इसका कारण ये है कि परहैप्स ही गोज फ्रॉम मी. परहैप्स मीन्स शायद वो यहाँ से मेरे पास से चला जाता है. टू पीप एट अदर लिटिल गर्ल्स, दूसरी छोटी लड़कियों को देखने के लिए. इन लैंड्स अक्रॉस द सी, ऐसी जगह पर जो कि समुद्र के उस पार है, जहाँ पर अब रात हो गई है. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको पता है कि जब हमारे यहाँ दिन होता है तो कुछ कंट्रीज ऐसी होती है वहाँ पर नाइट होती है, और जब उन कंट्रीज में, उन देशों में दिन होता है तो हमारे यहाँ रात होती है. इट मीन्स दिस लिटिल गर्ल इज सेइंग कि जब यहाँ दिन होता है तो ये जो स्टार है वो दूसरी कंट्री में जहाँ पर रात है वहाँ चला जाता है उसके जैसी और छोटी लड़कियों को देखने. ओके, सो वी विल रेसिट दिस पोएम अगेन. You also recite this poem with me. When I am in my bed at night, between the blinds, I see the dearest little twinkling star who comes to peep at me. I know he stays there all the night, but at the break of day I cannot see him anywhere. Where does he go away? I wonder if the reason's this. Perhaps he goes from me to peep at other little girls in lands across the sea. Now student, take out its page number 5757. In page number 57, students look at question number B. Circle the correct words in these sentences. Here are 4 sentences and we will circle the correct word in these sentences. Okay. Now look at number 1. At night, the girl sees the moon, a star, the dark sky. Now tell me, what does the girl see at night? Yes, the girl sees a star at night. So we will circle it like this. Okay? Now look at its sentence number 2. The star peeps at, hides from, plays with the little girl. And which one is the correct answer? The star peeps at the little girl. Okay, so we will circle it. Means वो तारा उस छोटी सी लड़की को peeps at यानी झांक कर देखता है. Now look at number 3 sentence. The girl sees the star behind the clouds, through the blinds, under the bed. And what is the correct answer? The correct answer is through the blinds. यानी वो पर्दे के माध्यम से, छोटी गर्ल पर्दे के माध्यम से स्टार यानी तारे को सीज यानी देखती है. बिहाइंड द क्लाउड्स यानी तारे के पीछे या बेड के नीचे से नहीं. ओके, नाउ लुक एट सेंटेंस नंबर 4. शी थिंक्स दैट इन द मॉर्निंग, वो सोचती है कि सुबह में ही वह गोज टू स्लीप, सोने चला जाता है, गोज अवे टू अनदर प्लेस, दूसरी जगह चला जाता है, हाइड्स इन द स्काई, या आसमान में छुप जाता है. सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज goes away to another place. We will circle it like this. Okay, student? So this is the work in page number 5757. Okay, now we will do its hard words in our 1 number notebook. So be ready, students. Take out your 1 number notebook. So student, take out a new page in your 1 number notebook and this side mention today's date, And this side write down CW means class 1. Okay. Now student, mention in the margin portion poem, P-O-E-M, poem. And the name of this poem, In Bed at Night. Write down with me student in very beautiful handwriting. Okay. After writing this, write down in first line in your notebook hard, H-A-R-D, hard, W-O-R-D-S words. Okay student. Now write down our first hard word blinds, B-L-I-N-D-S, blinds means curtains या पर्दे. Dearest, D-E-A-R-E-S-T, dearest means सबसे प्यारा. Now write down our next hard word twinkling, T-W-I-N-K-L-I-N-G, twinkling यानी टिमटिमाना. Student, our next hard word is peep, P-E-E-P, peep, A-T, at. Okay. Now write down our next hard word stays, S-T-A-S, stays. Student, peep at means देखना, झांक कर देखना, और stays means रुकता है. Okay. Now write down our next hard word break of the day, B-R-E-A-K, break of day, D-A-Y, day. Break of day means early morning यानी जल्दी सुबह. Now student, write down our next hard word wonder, W-O-N-D-E-R, wonder means अचरज. Write down our next hard word reason, R-E-A-S-O-N, reason. Reason means कारण, cause. Okay. Now write down our next hard word perhaps, P-E-R-H-A-P-S, perhaps means शायद या फिर maybe. Okay. Now write down our next hard word across, A-C-R-O-S-S, across means पार, किसी चीज के पार. जैसे across the sea means समुद्र के पार. So students, these are our hard words. Now take out new page of your notebook and mention here the heading word meaning, W-O-R-D, word, M-E-A-N-I-N-G-S, meanings, word meanings. Again write down in your margin portion CW, and there is no need to mention date again. Okay. Very nice. Now we will write our word meanings of this poem, In Bed at Night. Student, write down our first word meaning blind, B-L-I-N-D, blind, and its word meaning is curtains, C-U-R-T-A-I-N-S, curtains means पर्दे. Now write down our word meaning number 2, dearest, D-E-A-R-E-S-T, dearest means सबसे प्यारा, means most loved, L-O-V-E-D, loved. Student, you will write in very beautiful handwriting. Okay. Now write down our word meaning number 3, twinkling, T-W-I-N-K-L-I-N-G, twinkling. Student, speak these spellings like me so that you can learn these spellings very quickly. Okay? Twinkling. Twinkling means टिमटिमाना या चमकना. Means SHINING, shining brightly. BRIGHTLY, यानी तेजी से चमकना. Now write down our word meaning number 4. Stays. STAYS, stays. Stays means रुकता है, यानी is in the same place. SAME, same. PLACE, place, यानी एक ही जगह पर होना. Stays means रुकना. is in the same place, उसी जगह पर, किसी सेम जगह पर रुकना. Now write down word meaning number 5. Break of the day. BREAK, break of DAY, day. Break of day means early morning. EARLY, early. MORNING, morning, यानी जल्दी सुबह, सुबह सवेरे. Okay? Now write down our sentence word meaning number 6. Peep-at. PEEPAT, at means look at something. SOME, some. THING, thing. Something quickly. QUICKLY, quickly. And secretly. SECRETLY, secretly. Look at something, किसी को देखना. Quickly यानी जल्दी से. And means और. Secretly means गुप्त रूप से, छुप कर, है ना, यानी किसी को छुप कर देखना और जल्दी से देखना. Okay? Now look at our word meaning number 7. Wonder. WONDER, wonder. Wonder means think. THINK, think यानी सोचना. Now write down our next word meaning. The reason. REASON, reason. Apostrophe then S means reasons. This. THIS, this. And the word meaning of reasons is this is because. BECAUSE, because. ऐसा इसलिए, क्योंकि, है ना. The reason this, इसका कारण क्या है? This is because, ऐसा है क्योंकि. Okay? Now student, these are our hard words and word meanings. Hope you would have done these work in very beautiful handwriting. Now student, take out your worksheet. Student, in your worksheet, take out page number 2020. Now we will match our yesterday's homework vocabulary. That was make meaningful sentences with the following phrases. And the phrases are brush your teeth, clean his room, open the window and water the plants. So match first phrase, brush your teeth. You should brush your teeth twice a day. Okay, now match our phrase number 2. He always cleans his room. Now student, match your phrase number 3. please open the window to get fresh air. Now student, match your phrase number 4. I watered the plants daily. Students, we will meet in my next video. Till then, goodbye everyone and take care.